और वहीं CJI N.V रमना का कहना है कि जिले अदालतों को मजबूत बनाना वक्त का तकाजा है। अदालती अमल को रफ्तार देने में जिले अदालतें इंतहाई अहमियत की हामिल हैं। इंसाफ के हुसूल के लिए कोशां एक बड़ी आबादी सबसे पहले इन्हीं अदालतों का रुख करती है।
The district judiciary is the backbone of the justice delivery system in the world's largest democracy. The district judicial officers are the first point of contact for much of the population. Public opinion about the judiciary is primarily based on their experience with the district judiciary. This casts a great responsibility on our shoulders. You must undertake multifaceted tasks and roles. You are the best placed to understand people's problems and social issues. Every progressive policy must find its base on a strong foundation. Strengthening the district judiciary is the need of the hour. Without any doubt, the district judiciary is the driving force behind the legal aid movement.